Welcome back, guys. Here, when it comes to the feature detection, template matching is a readily available and straightforward method. So, the way template matching works is it searches for a similar pattern between two images. So, this is accomplished by taking a reference image called a template and sliding it around the other comparison image, taking a different at every position. The result is black and white gray scale image with varying intensities showing how well it matches at each position. So using the one-dimensional somewhat modified example, we can say that we slide our template, which is triangle, across the screen. Here, if you can see, it doesn't comparison in each spot. On the far left there is a no match, so it has a perfectly black value on it. So it's gone right and start overlap, it's gray value indicating the partial match at some time. Like if we see here, if we start this matching here and here, it is a no match. Currently it is a no match, and here it is a perfect match. So just a partial matching there. So typically the template matching is actually applied in two-dimensional format, but the concept is the same. Your source template will be scrolled horizontally and vertically across the entire image, taking a difference at each location. The sum result of difference is put into the pixel value, where the zero sum difference means the exact same images become wide and perfect. So typically you will find the lots of gray to image, as they are always going to the partial match for some pixels in template versus your image. So just to see here, like here is a no match, here's a partial match, here is a perfect match, and then a slightly match. And if you see here, then here is a no match. So let's move to the next one here, and that is the two-dimensional example. So it's only a yellow ball in the actual scene, and we can see very clearly in the output that the brightest spot of the image is exactly where we expect the ball here, somewhere here. So typically with template matching, you don't actually use an element from the source image yourself, but something that is predetermined, such as face or a known generic object that is expected to be found in scene. It's important to understand the few limitations for it, and if your template is scaled compared to your source image, then it will not work very well. Likewise, if your template is rotated and template look different at the different rotations, it may reduce the effectiveness of template matching. Despite that, it's still a very efficient algorithm and very useful in some scenarios. So this is template matching, and I'll be back with the application of the template matching in coming lectures.